Hi guys, today I will be changing the fog lights on this Skoda Superb. Basically my light has some water drops inside it, as you can see. So last week I removed it. I wanted to check what's going on with the light. I found some cracks here and here, which I was able to fix, but unfortunately the water drops still existed here in the light, so I decided to completely remove it and renew it with a new one. So let me show you the steps how the light should be removed. So the first step is to remove this cover. For me the easiest way is to use pliers, because it doesn't leave so many marks. From the beginning I tried with some screwdrivers and some other tools, but yeah, it left a lot of marks here, so the pliers are the best here. So once you remove the cover, as you can see there are a lot of clumps here, but you need to remove it. Let me put this here. Okay, once you have removed it, you can see the light. So this is the EYD LED light, so it's from the facelift model. It's a very good light, but yeah, it is a common issue from all Skoda models. And as you can see, there are no screws here, so you cannot just remove it from here, unfortunately. The screws are here, here, here and here, 4 of them, but they're on the opposite direction, so you cannot just unscrew them from here. Unfortunately, you need to remove the fender cover from here, and then from this direction here you can unscrew them. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, and now we are done. As you can see, there is a crack here, which I tried to fix it, but it doesn't help, and there was another one here, which again doesn't help. So that is, friends. Now we will replace it with a new one, and let's see. I hope this video will help other guys like me to fix it by themselves. The work is not as hard as other jobs here on this Skoda, but yeah, it takes about 30 minutes to change it, so I think it's worth trying by yourself. Bye guys.